What's going on, everyone? So this is day, what is it, 4 of me trying to go from $20 to $1,000. I'm trying on two different things so people can see the difference. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I've included a link down in the description so you can join along with our guide and with how you can get 500 free BFG tokens. But I'm going to get my spins on, get my free crypto real quick. So all you have to do is just click on this. Probably get some Fun Fury tokens, which are nothing, but sometimes you could get one BNB, so it's definitely possible. Let me move this mic closer so you guys can hear me. All right, so I didn't get anything there. We can go over to the free crypto and get some Fun Fury tokens, and then I can get some Satoshis, which should be coming pretty soon. I don't know. It's almost full. Maybe after, oh, rank 2. That's what it is. Which I'm almost there actually. So right here, 50% of the way there where I can get some Satoshis. Uh, so let's go over some, let's see, where's my casino? We're going to go to Betfury, and then we're going to go to our trusty Strom dice. And so what we're going to do is a few things. We can do the $20. Let's do the 1,000. We're going to do $1,000. Or let's just do the ETH. Make it simple. Because we started with $20. Well, we started with 1,000. We got it up to 1,200, and then we what did we do? We then bought some NFTs. Got $20 in ETH. So, let's go ahead and stick with this the ETH here. So I have $41 here, and I am going to do. I, I really like this 1 and 2 today. Um, I was able to double my investment in like just a couple seconds. So let's give this a go. Um, so 4 cents. Change this to 1.7. All right, let's give this a go. Here we go. So it's raising 2%. Let's see, it's raising 2%, and it's betting 1. I have a 1% chance. Um, so we'll see. Did it stop again? All right, so it froze again, which sucks, but let's do this again. 4 cents, 2%, and oh, forgot to do this. Am I doing this right? Is it 4 cents? I don't know. And it froze yet again. 1%, 2, 4 cents. Let's do 1.7. All right, $4. We're up. All right, let's take this to 60. One more win, and we'll be out. One more win and we'll be out. We're all still in the profit. Eating away. Come on. There it is. All right. So I just 50% gain in however long that was. 4 wins, 150 losses at 1%. Just actually pretty high. It's crazy high. But we are now at $68. Um, Started at 48, so that's $20.50, 50% gain in just a couple minutes. So, welcome to day 4, guys. See you on the next one.